party is on, the music is pumping. Yes, you can hear the DJ, and Anam's man welcomes the star of the evening, PVR, to Chennai. Woohoo! Finally! Yes, they're coming soon, and today we're welcoming them with an evening of fashion and glamour. Now, Anam's man has established their presence both in Chennai and across the country, and I love their clothes. In fact, I'm actually wearing a man's shirt. It's all about experimenting, and today you're going to see some great fashion and some famous people. So stick around, it's going to be fun. As you can see, this was an evening that was all about fashion, and we've got some beautiful ladies in the audience. You must take a look. We're here with TV personality Divya Singaravelu. So Divya, are you a fashion person?
Obviously. Do I look like one?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me quickly ask you, when it comes to fashion, what is it that works for you? Are you someone that, just likes looking good, or do you wear your personality? What does fashion do for you?
I wear my personality, and my fashion is something which is very simple and practical, because I am a working girl. Besides being a TV personality, I'm also an entrepreneur. So most of my clothes in my wardrobe are like workwear and stuff that are very practical. And I also have a lot of mix and match, wherein I wear something inside, a singlet inside, a jacket on top, and some nice trousers, go to work and take my jacket off and party in the evening. So that's who I am.
Let me ask you a quick question. These days is a lot about, being androgynous. Men wearing women's clothes, women wearing men's clothes. In fact, today we had a lot of women dressed in men's shirts. So what do you think about that?
I think it's awesome, and it's not something new, right? Women have been wearing men's clothes for God knows when. And now men are taken towards women's clothing to see all the pink and the manicured nails and
really skinny jeans.
Oh yeah, and the really low, God forbid, it's like really low jeans, right? But it's okay. I think it's fine.
Okay, right now we're here with the young and the musically gifted who also like fashion. So gentlemen, let me quickly ask you, if you had to sum up your fashion statement in one word, what would it be for each of you?
For me, it's Ranjit.
I love it. Ranjit, for you it's?
I love... No, for me it'll be like cool, casual.
Cool, casual, chilled out, the 3 C's, we like it. What about you?
Yeah, I'm just follow of these two guys. I just follow them. They keep myself updated always. I'm so happy with them actually.
Fortunately, I don't know if these guys are pulling my legs or what, but we'll just move on quickly to the next topic. Okay, this evening we saw a combination of fashion and film. Do you think that the both of these go well together? If so, why?
I think off late, yeah, I'm seeing them go really well with each other, because if you see all the latest films, including Ayan and Vinay Tanti Varavaya, we find it pretty fashionable. I think the Bollywood started this whole thing initially, and now I'm really, really glad to see our heroes all well dressed and looking really cool in films.
It's about time. What about the heroines? So you spoke about the heroes, you didn't say about the heroines.
No, heroines are anyway
Doesn't matter what they wear.
No. That's not what I meant. They're anyways well taken care of. So
some cases even better if they're not wearing anything. We'll let you laugh for a bit. What about you? What do you think? Do you think our heroes are stylish and well dressed?
Yeah, definitely. Not only heroes, even singers.
Singers we know. Singers goes without saying, yeah.
Fashion is everywhere, even for us, it's actually more on that. We have to perform on stage, and you got to look good and, grow ourselves good.
You think we need to look good?
Okay, gentlemen, all 3 of you, give us your best model pose. Come on, let's see it. Okay, we're here with Bharat at the Anam's Man show. First of all, let me ask you, how is it going, Bharat? We actually haven't seen you in a long, long time.
I was not in town for a long time. I was in traveling Europe. I just came back this morning. So it was a great, cold country I've been seeing for past 20 days. And when I landed up Chennai, it was hot.
Things are definitely heating up. But let me ask you, first of all, I do like what you're wearing. I especially like the little rosary and all of that. Very nice to keep you holy, I think, to balance things out. But tell us a little bit about what you're wearing this evening.
This is all about, I picked it up from Sweden. This is a showroom called All Saints, which is the best showroom, American showroom. And this, of course, the diesel pant. And it's not about me being holy, it's something which I call a style statement for me. It looks smart on, guy who wears an open t-shirt. And I'm a great fan of Enrique Iglesias, so he wears a lot of rosaries and he wears, a lot of things like this, open shirt and kind of a Latin look with all the motion.
Let me also say that the girls also like the open t-shirt. Even if we took a couple of those buttons off, the ladies would be really happy, but we're getting a little naughty now, so moving along. Adam's Man just put together a fabulous show, casual, funky, really experimental, but tell us, what is your personal style statement?
It's about fitting into your right clothes. I would love to be on a smaller size shirt or probably a smaller size t-shirt and a good pair of jeans. So that should be my good clothing outfit which I love to wear. And be simple, but at the same time be appealing.
Good man.